Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Planner 5D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In here can you looking for Planner 5 the app, and here can you click here on search, then here add design plan a home app, just click, sorry, you add here planner, you add here planner 5D app, then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.